Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this one, I want to do a recap of how I built an AI data analyst for the stock market. So what I first started to do was build a project. So I built a new Bruin project. I prompted Claude to extract data from Yahoo Finance and Wikipedia, and then build some reports on top of that where it cleans and joins the data together. So it went and created the entire pipeline for me, but the metadata was lacking. And when I first tried it with an AI agent, it was not properly answering my questions and it wasn't able to navigate the pipeline properly. That's where I decided to use the AI enhanced feature of the Bruin CLI. So this would basically go through each single asset, query the table in the database, fill out the columns, the descriptions, add quality checks, and overall just add a lot more enriched metadata to the pipeline. And with this, it basically created a pipeline with a lot of information for the agent to be able to understand the context. So as we can see here, for example, one of the assets, it added the description for me. If we look at the columns, it figured out which one is the primary key. It added quality checks as well. And even in the lineage, it was able to determine which columns are actually have a relationship with another table, or the lineage between the tables at a column level. So basically, once I had this entire pipeline ready to go, I came to Bruin Cloud. I went into team settings, I went to projects, and I added my repo in here. Once the repo was here, the pipeline shows up, and I was able to enable it and have the pipeline running. And once the pipeline is running daily, there was a failure this morning apparently, but besides that, it was able to just, backfill all of the data, and every day it will get new data as well. So the next step was to actually build the AI agent, or in this case, I'm not really building it, but I went and set it up here. So I went under agents, and I created a new agent. I selected which repo I want to use, and then I had already set up my Slack credentials as well, so I added that in here and gave it a name and selected which channel to actually connect it to. So now this way the AI agent now lives inside of Slack, and it also lives inside the Bruin Cloud UI as well. So in here, I first tested it out by asking it a few questions and understanding if it's able to actually connect and query the data. There's, of course, sometimes, it will make mistakes, but it's self-correcting. So it just iterates until it's able to actually give the response. And so let's take a look actually what it looks like in Slack. So in here, I was able to just tag it, ask it a question, and even ask it to make me a PDF report. So it analyzed the data. You can also take a look at the queries that it generated as well. If we take a look here, view the SQL queries, so you can actually see the queries that it was generating too. And then it outputs a PDF file that summarizes all of the analysis that it did. So it was a really nice way for me to actually understand how to build an end-to-end pipeline, as well as connecting that to Slack agents that I can actually ask questions and get responses and get reports right from within Slack. I hope you learned something new, and see you next time.